Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Okay, this video is going to be more of a rant. It's going to be just pissed off, man. And please, if you're sensitive or if you're watching this with children, please don't watch, or if you're at work, because I just want to speak my mind out. Okay, yesterday I was just night at around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or whatever. I was just sorting out the final uploads and just completing the rebranding work of one of the clients for a job. I suddenly saw this on the feed. You know, when you refresh YouTube, you get. So this guy, his name is Charles Crick or something. He's one of the guys who I like in terms of debate. I may not agree with all his views. Brilliant in debating live. He gives you facts. I don't know how he memorizes all of them. I'll put a link down below to his channel. Worthwhile listening to him, like Ben Shapiro. So the topic in question was very, very disturbing. It was so disturbing. I'll tell you, my blood was boiling. And I'll tell you what it was. The headline was, transgender woman means a man. Transgender woman, a man who identifies himself as a woman, or maybe who has cut his balls or taken estrogen to get tits or whatever. A transgender woman breastfeeds her baby. Okay? Let that sink in. A guy was born as a man, okay, biologically a man, who is now trying to be a woman but identifies as a lady, was breastfeeding a child. Okay, the baby was trying to drink milk because the baby is hungry, and this man has let the baby suck his nipple and nothing was coming out, and he's saying, oh, see, it's sucking, nothing is coming out. And next to this transgender woman was a transgender man. That means a lady who underwent surgery and takes testosterone shots to look like a man. So now she has beard and she has, I don't know, cut her breasts off. And how was this baby born? See, it's so confusing. This transgender, let me just say it in simple terms. The man gave his sperm to this female, and through a vagina, through a uterus or whatever, I don't know what is the right biological term, from a womb, the baby came out. Okay, that's how it normally happens. But because they both have undergone injections and surgery and all that, so the woman says, I'm a man says, I'm a woman. And now when the baby is hungry and wants to drink milk, that lady anyway doesn't have breasts because she chopped it off. So the baby is sucking on the chest of this once biological man. And they put this video, which is supposed to be viral, you know, it's such a cool term, viral. Oh, it wants milk, there's nothing coming out, oh, poor thing. Oh, we will try to lactate. And my blood was boiling. How can you, this is so sick and so demented and so horrifying. Man, just imagine a small baby, a child. For me, this is child abuse. Seriously, I don't hate transgender people, but this is child abuse. And you're recording it to share to the world for what? And we are living in a day and age today where a guy with a penis, fucking balls, your dick, is saying, I'm a woman. You know that spa, there was a spa in USA. Ladies are changing there, and small girls, 9-year-old, 10-year-old, are changing there. This man who identifies himself as a woman comes and takes off his clothes in front of these small little girls, in front of other women who are half naked. They're wondering, like, why is this guy come here? Just imagine this man is flashing his private parts to a small girl. And this lady was so enraged, she took her kids out and screamed. And what kind of society we live in, man? What kind of demented nonsense is this? Tomorrow they'll have a baby sleeping naked to two men, small baby girl, and saying, oh, you're a transgender boy. Where does this stop? One guy will say, I'm trans what? I'm trans teen. I'm young. So even if he's an old 50-year-old, he will sleep with a 10-year-old girl and say, I identify myself as a trans teen. I'm a teenager. So it's okay to, it's not pedophilia. You know, really, I'll tell you honestly, once upon a time, I looked up to the West. I thought Western values. Today, really, I'm so glad I'm nowhere in the West. You know, these jokers who say, America is the land of the free, home of the brave, the greatest nation. Yeah, good. Keep it that way for yourself. I'm very happy. Keep it that way. What retardation is this here? Oh, I'm a woman. Oh, having a dick and a balls, that doesn't mean I'm a man. I'm a woman. I feel like a woman. Woman who has a vagina and breasts and was born as a... No, I was cisgender. The doctor identified me. I don't identify myself. No, call me they, them. Oh, I'm pansexual. I'm what? I'm asexual. I'm non-sexual. I'm half alien. No, I'm not white. That is racist. Like you had this other one British guy identify as a Korean. Come. Be sure you look for car. It always be. Come. I walk in the center so that nothing happens. See, I have a daughter. I'm a parent. I cannot imagine if someone would do this. Just think for a minute. If you have a baby and that baby is going to suck on a man's nipple, tomorrow what? I don't even want to say it. What if they do something even more dirty, even more horrifying, and say, oh, the baby is experiencing it, or is playing with my whatever. It thinks I'm a boy, but I'm not. Just imagine tomorrow they will show that small child, see my genitals, it's nothing. Where does it stop? Oh, we are talking of a country like US where they are okay with having guns. Oh, right to protect yourself. So such big guns from head to fucking toe. Yeah, because he has guns, I need to protect. So I will have gun. My wife will have a gun. My children will have guns. We'll all have guns. So we'll all protect each other. There is car coming. I have to always keep in mind. Annie, car is coming. Sometimes, these people, the problem is these people when they drive now. Sometimes they drive like racing and all that. And it's not that my wife is careless, but when you have a kid, you can't play games with all this. Anyway, I'll tell you, see, look, I don't hate transgender people, but this was, I couldn't take it. They are making us hate. What this media is doing, they're making us hate these individuals. The worst part is the ones they show on the media are the extreme cases. The really, they want to give you shock. So then even normal people who are decent, you begin to hate on them. They're just They're just pumping so much of poison that makes us hate these individuals. I don't know what the world is going. Oh, in a toilet, man and woman can go. Yeah, you're going there what, to feel good or to smell shit? You're just going to dump your whatever, excrete whatever waste product is there, right? So why are you, oh no, I'm transgender, I need to be with my types. No, you have a fucking penis and this thing. You don't have vagina. Oh no, my private parts don't define me. What did we study in biology all these years? Male and female reproductive organs. Then what do you call it? What name do you give it? Oh, I identify as non-binary, cisgender. Don't even want to get into that, man. But I'll tell you this, for me, I couldn't take it when I had a small baby and they were doing this. For me, it was child abuse. Anyway, that's all I want to say. Anyway, you guys take care. Like I told you, I don't have hatred against particular groups, but this was, for me, this was child abuse. And it's a shame on the state they are staying, shame on the police, shame on the people who are not taking action and just publicizing this to make it a viral video. Oh, if they had any human decency, they would have arrested these people. Take this child away from these abnormal individuals, these freaks. They are mentally not in place, man, and you're giving a child to... I can't even express how I feel. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think. This is me signing off. Sure.